Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Ultra hardware number 58395. This is a cylinder hole cover is what they call it. This is what it looks like in the packaging. Here's one outside of the packaging. You've got the exterior side, and you know it's the exterior because it has the threaded female portion installed into it. Then you have the interior side, and of course that's the interior side because that's the side that will get the screw. Okay, this is in a brass color, which is certainly less common than the prime coat finish, and that is also available from Ultra as a 58398. That's the part number for that. So this is what we refer to as a 2 1/8 inch hole filler, typical and common sort of item that you're going to use to blank off a hole. Where you would use this, anywhere you needed to blank off a hole. You might have a back door of a restaurant, and that door came from the factory or came from your distributor with a lock and a deadbolt. Makes sense because the owner specified, I need to be able to lock it up at night. Sure. The fire inspector, the fire inspector or building inspector comes and says that's a no-no because this is a point of emergency exit or egress. You have to remove the lock, you have to remove the deadbolt, you have to install a panic bar, and then you're stuck with a hole. Therein comes the hole filler. Typical application. Probably in that scenario you would use the 58398, the prime coat. But if it was an interior application, you could certainly use brass. You could have a condo building where the door was prepped for a 2 1/8 inch hole, and you were going to use a exit device. Maybe it's going to be a door that will exit out of the stairwell, and the hardware is brass. Hinges, so there you go, brass colored. This is the diameter of the item, about 2 5/8 outside dimension. Again, this is going to work for, if I've not mentioned it, 1 3/8 to 1 3/4 thick doors. I'm going to say that the material thickness is about 60 thousandths of an inch. Let's put the caliper on that and determine that accurately. It's important to know sometimes how thick the material is because you literally might be putting an exit device over the plate and need to know. 0.056. I was pretty close. 0.056 thick. So just less than a 1/16 of an inch. Okay. Made of steel in that brass finish. Okay, common item. The name Ultra is synonymous with good quality imported builders hardware. There's a link below this video to the full line catalog where you can review all of their commercial hardware, their lock sets, exit devices, door closers, hinges. They're all very good quality. If you're doing tenant build out work, Ultra would be a very good line for you to look at for good quality and budget conscious sorts of projects. But then their offering of residential hardware is quite comprehensive. Everything from cabinet hardware to storm door hardware to hinges and lock sets, builders hardware, gate hardware. It's comprehensive and ever growing. If you have any questions on the Ultra hardware 58395 cylinder hole cover or any other Ultra hardware product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.